Boom, 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 guys, I'm back again with another video. It's your boy TMK. If you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Guys, as I told you guys about the website, it actually pays, guys. As you can see, it's Capitec payment, guys, 87 rand. As I told you, the video I made earlier that I'm gonna show you when I received this money. I've actually received this money just now, guys. 1 minute ago. As you can see there, I've just received the money now, guys. So guys, don't sleep on me. This website actually pays, guys. I suggest that you go on my description right now and register for the website, guys. This website is so powerful, guys. I don't want to lie to you. I'm doing it. As you can see, this is a payment proof, guys. Please don't sleep on me, guys. Don't sleep on me, because tomorrow I'm gonna buy suits for myself, and you can do it too if you follow this method that I'm talking to you about, guys. So if you don't understand the website, please make sure to comment so that I'll make a video step by step so that I can teach you what you need to do on the website, how to withdraw and everything else, guys. I was just showing my results so that you can trust me, guys. Please don't sleep on me, guys. Don't sleep on me. This website actually pays. I'm in love with the website, guys. I'm really in love with the website. Please, guys, I'm not lying to you. I will never lie to you. Just try it yourself, guys. Just try it. Give it time and try it. You're gonna thank me later. I have never bring some scams on my website. I'm just showing you what's legit and what's working for me. So guys, copy my strategy, guys. You won't regret, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. Just because today I'm happy that you're gonna trust this website and go and register. The website is KKBT, and the link is on my description. When you wanna register, just click on my description. Go to my description and you'll find the website and register, guys. Find the website and register. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to your boy TMK, because I'm gonna drop something amazing this year, guys, for you. So guys, please make sure you subscribe. See you on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.